Hey guys, finally it is time to start assembling and at least start preparing to assemble, because I have successfully found a nozzle for the turbine, and I'm hoping that it is gonna do the trick and I'm gonna be able to assemble the turbine now. I have a little bit of doubts because this nozzle is from hydraulic systems and has a different angle on the inside from the original one, which is this one, and I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna turn out, but at least I'm gonna try. This was the only solution that I could find, so I'm hoping that this is gonna work. I have brought the head back from the metal workshop, and now it is polished. I have to clean it up, and I'm gonna start refitting the valves and I'm gonna replace the seals on top of them once again. I have some antifreeze. I think I have all the parts that I need at the moment. This is the gasket for the intake collector and the gasket for the head. I have surprisingly managed to find a gasket for the exhaust manifold. There is some dirt on it. The gasket for the exhaust manifold as well, and the gasket for the valve cover, and these are for dust protectors for the shock absorbers, front shock absorbers as well. And the only important question at the moment is, am I gonna be able to successfully assemble this thing without leaking any compression and just fitting the head this way that the engine is gonna run smoothly without any issues and hiccups, and it's gonna have the power that it needs, because I am very excited about the new turbine and how this thing is gonna perform, if it is gonna smoke again or not. At the moment, what I can say about this turbine is that you can actually see how different they are. The fans of the original turbine are so much thinner. Look at them compared to this one. This is so much thicker and heavier. This side as well. This is way thicker than the original. But it doesn't matter. I'm hoping that the result is gonna be good enough. At least it's not gonna burn oil anymore. This is it for now. I'm gonna start to clean the head and disassemble the valves and start refitting them. Then I'm gonna finish the assembling of the head and the assembling of the turbine. So this is the plan. I hope that you will enjoy this process, and if you think you are gonna, stay tuned and let's get started.